Hello and welcome to My Bird in Year. This episode is all about the Green Sandpiper, a small wading bird that's a regular visitor to my local nature reserve during July and August. You're most likely to see green sandpipers feeding on insects and other invertebrates around the edges of lakes, rivers and freshwater marshes. Green sandpipers rarely breed in the UK and are seen here most often from the end of June through to March. These birds were filmed during July and are most likely stopping off on their long migration south, from their breeding sites in Scandinavia to Africa, where they'll spend the winter. Many of the UK's green sandpipers will have left by September to continue their journey, but some will stay and spend the winter here before they fly north again in early spring. It's been wonderful to watch these green sandpipers bobbing up and down as they search for food. Wherever they're off to next, I hope they get there safely. Thank you for watching, have a great week and see you again soon.